Hello viewers, in this video we will learn font group, home tab font group commands. Let us see. So in the previous video we learned clipboard group commands. In this video we will learn font group commands. So here a lot of text is formatted and we don't want this formatted text. Then what we will do, press Ctrl A and here clear all formatting is there. That's all. Okay, all the formatting has been removed from the document. Okay, so first of all, before we go ahead, we should know some new things. Few things. What are those? This is what the font group, home tab font group. Here, default font. What is the default font here? Font Calibri body is there, and font size is 11 points. Okay, and the color is automatic. Okay, automatic color is there, and the page setup. Okay, layout. You see, margins are all normal, all 1 inch. Orientation is portrait, and the paper size is A4. So these are the default settings. Okay, we need to remember. So how to use these font group commands, let us learn. Okay, so before you use any command from font group, what you have to do, first of all you have to make the selection. If you don't make the selection, just if we click somewhere, suppose if we select a font, what will happen? Only that word will be formatted. But in case if you want to format some this much area, okay, this text, then what you have to do, you have to make the selection, then only you can apply that formatting. Is it clear? So as of now what I am doing, I want to format this paragraph. So to format this paragraph, what I will do, I will select it. So how to select a paragraph? Triple click, 1 2 3, means for 3 repeated clicks. If you click 3 times repeatedly, then paragraph will be get selected. So here, first of all, we will go to font group. Font means what? Text. Okay, text related. So here Calibri body, this font is selected. Now I will click this triangle button. Okay, and the keyboard shortcut for this font is what? Means what? Font drop down is what? Control Shift F. You can access this font using this keyboard shortcut. Click it, and whichever the command you want to apply, just keep arrow on each font. These are the different fonts are there. Here from here, all the fonts are in the alphabetical order, and these are the recently used fonts. So whichever the font you want to apply, just have a look how it would be if I apply this agency FB font. No, it won't suit my document. So in this way, just point to each one, each font, and have a look and decide whether how far it will suits to your work. Okay, like this. So generally either we will use Times New Roman or the Arial, which are the professional fonts. Okay, so what I am doing, I prefer Times New Roman. I will click this font. So you see the difference between this font and that font. Okay, this font is applied with what? Times New Roman, and this Calibri body. So when you click the text, or it will show you the name of the font that which is applied to it. So when I'm clicking on this text, it is showing Calibri body. When I'm clicking on this text, it is showing Times New Roman. Okay, so triple click. After this, what is the default font size? It is 11. I want some other size. What I will do, I will click this triangle button and I will select. I will try. Oh, it is too large. So previously it is 11. Just I want 12. That's it. Okay. Is it looking nice or not? Okay. So always you should see that here 130%. Okay. For the zoom percentage should be 130%. It is 130%. No, so let us make it 100%. How? Go to view tab and click 100%. That's all. So why 100% we are preferring? because we will have an idea. So when we print this document, how it will appear on the page. So it will give you that idea to us. All right. Okay. Suppose only to work, if you want to increase the zoom percentage, you can, right? Select it, or if you want, you can just increase it from here, or you can directly enter the zoom percentage. Hmm? Either from the bottom of the window or from this view tab. Okay, next is what? Increase font size, decrease font size. Sometimes we will be confused. Okay, all the time clicking this drop down list, selecting a font size, it will be difficult for us all the time. So how it would be if we click this? Okay, it is going on increasing. You see 18, 20, next 18, 16, decreasing. So it is 12. When I am clicking this decrease font size, what is showing? 11. Again 10. When I'm increasing it from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 14, it is showing. Okay, but not 13. Then what should I do? I should click in this box and I should type directly 13 into that box. In this way, we can do it. Or else on the keyboard, you can press Control, uh, close square bracket. Okay, close square bracket. If you press, then you can increase the font size by 1 point. If you decrease the font size, then you should press Control, open square bracket. Right, so up to here we have done. Next is what? Change case. Now here you see the first letter of the sentence is what? The capital, and since some of the words are also what? Capitalized. Oh, okay, first letter of the word is capitalized in the middle of the paragraph. So in case if you want to turn all this text into uppercase, you can make it so. Okay, if you want all this text to lowercase, you can do it so. Okay, any capital letter is there? Nowhere. Okay, if you want sentence case, means sentence case means what? First letter of the sentence is will be capitalized. First letter of the sentence will be capitalized automatically. Okay, so sometimes what may require, suppose any title is there. Okay, a document title is there. For that, what we want the first letter should be capitalized. Then we will go to change case, capitalize each word. You see, capitalize each word. So we need not to select each letter of the first word and make it capital. It will take much time, is it not? So let us make work faster and smarter. Done. Next is what? Toggle case is there. Toggle case means what? It will convert capital to small, small to capital. So what I am doing, I am clicking toggle case. But we don't require this kind of text, is it not? So sometimes what may happen when the caps lock is turned on and we don't observe sometimes. Okay, and we will looking into the text, we will keep on typing. Then what will happen? As the caps lock is turned on, if you press Shift P, then what will happen? That it will be small p will be inserted. When I release the caps lock Shift key, then remaining letters will be capital in. So at the time what will happen? Small letters will be typed in capital and capital letters will be typed in small letters. Okay, so opposite in this way. So at that time it will be like this. Then if I want to convert it, toggle case, it will be reversed. Okay, in this way we can use this change case command. Right. So already we have learned what is this clear all formatting. So suppose whatever the formatting we have applied, if you want to remove, just click clear all formatting. That's all. Next is what? Bold. So sometimes what may require, if any special text is there which we want to highlight, just select it from, this is what the mini toolbar. So whenever you make the text select, it will show. If you want to disappear, what we have to do, just move the mouse pointer away from the toolbar. Okay, then it will disappear. Got it? But it is always it is a smart thing that if you use it. Okay, what I'm doing, bold, italic, underline. Okay, bold means what? Thick, it thickens the text. Italic means what? Slanting. U means underline. Okay, there are different underline styles are there. plain underline is there, double underline is there, thick underline is there, dashed underline is there, dotted underline is there. Okay, different dot dash is there, different types of underlines are there. So whichever the underline you wish to apply, click it. That's all. And one more thing, if you want to add a underline color, you can a separate color for underline and separate color for font. This is what the font color. Okay, so I want a different color for font and different color for underline. In this way you can have it. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go to some other text. Okay, next is what? Strike through. Suppose if you want to strike out this text, select it and click on that strike through. So sometimes what may require for the correction purpose, we used to highlight like this. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Next is what? Subscript and superscript. So when we are using any mathematical formulas, okay, just like 25 square, okay, sometimes H2O, okay, like this. So 25 square means what? It should be raised. Okay, I will select it and I will click what? Superscript. Got it? Superscript. H2O, I want lower it. Subscript. So in this way you can superscript and subscript the selected text. Next is what? Text effects. Suppose if I want to add a title, okay, there is no space above this paragraph. What I will do, I will click in the beginning of this paragraph and I will simply press the enter key. I will go top, okay, and here I will type online video. I want to just enter this text. Okay, now I want to select this text. Here text effects is there, no? Text effects and typography. Here whatever the style you click, it will be applied. Okay, if you want a what reflection, you can have the reflection in this way. So whichever the style you want, you can have it. And if you want the size larger, increase it 72 points. Okay, you can decrease it. If you want, you can center it also. Okay, here you see different styles are there. So whichever the style you want, you can apply it. And on the other hand, here not only this, okay, you can add some effects are there. Outline, okay, you can select a outline color. Shadow is there, which type of shadow you want. Okay, you can create your own shadow. Okay, you can add your own shadow. Reflection, there is no reflection here. If you want a reflection, you can add a reflection. What type of, which type of reflection you want. Is it clear? In this way, so you can go about each one and apply the one that you wish to do. Okay, in this way. And okay, such many options are there. Next, what? Highlighted text. Text highlight color. So in our school days or college days, or while we read any textbook or notebook, okay, what we will do, if any important points are there, what we used to do, okay, we will apply some highlight color. Okay, you can make the selection and after that whichever the color you want, you can apply it. Okay, suppose if you want to apply only one time text, then what will you do? In this field, make the selection, you can apply it. Suppose if you want to apply more number of text, then what will you do? You should not make any selection, just click somewhere and click the color you want. Okay, I want this green color. See, now you see the highlighter pen is there. So whichever the text you want, just drag over it and you see in this way. So once you finish highlighting, then again click on the button, it will be turned off. Got it? In this way, what can we do? We can use this text highlighter. And if you want to remove the highlight, then what will you do? Just make the selection, go to the highlighter and click here no color. And if you want to remove the highlight from all these things, select all that, go to this drop down list and click no color. That's all. Okay, so let us undo, let us keep it so that we will remember that we have done this. Okay, next is what? Font color. Font color means what? Text color. So whichever the text you want to change the color, make the selection and click this either this or that. Click this triangle button. Here you see automatic means what? Nearest to black. Here you see some theme colors are there, and here some dark colors are there, and each dark color is what? It is decreasing its, it is going transparent. Are you getting me? It's it is going lighter. Yes or no? From darker to lighter. So in this way, whichever the color you wish to apply, you see, you can see the preview also, how it would be if this color is applied to that. Okay, and here some standard colors are there, so whichever the color you want, just you can apply. So I want dark red. In this way, suppose in case I will go to some other paragraph, other text. Suppose if you want, suppose if you don't find the color that you want in this palette, then what will you do? You will click more colors. You will see number of colors are there. Even if you don't find the color that you want in this palette, then go to custom. Okay, so just I want a different shade. Which shade? Some blue color shade. So I don't want this, but nearest to this color I want a different shade. Then I will go to custom. After making the selection, you see here from darker to lighter, number of shades are there. When you drag this, okay, the color is, the shades are showing or not, it is changing the shades from darker to lighter. So whichever the one you want, select it and click OK, and that will be applied. Okay, so this is what about the font group. Okay, and it is also having the dialog box launcher, and the keyboard shortcut for this is what? Control D. When you press Control D, it will show that font dialog boxes, font dialog box. Here some of the commands whatever are there in the font group, some of the commands are here are there. Okay, apart from this, some other additional commands are there here. Okay, you can use if you wish. Okay, so cancel. So this is the video regarding font to group. So let us see about the paragraph group in the next video. Thank you. Till then, practice well. Okay, bye.